Hey guys, this is Samantha. Thanks so much for stopping back and visiting my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of these little blending brushes from iCrafter. iCrafter is, I think, sort of a newer company by Lynda Kanase. I hope I'm saying that correctly. So Lynda used to design for Sizzix. I actually have one of her die sets that she made while she was at Sizzix. It's just beautiful. So I was pretty excited to learn that she had started her own company. Before we begin, I want to be very clear in that I did not receive these in exchange for doing a review. I didn't get paid for doing this review. I bought these out of my own money. And so this review is completely unbiased and my own personal thoughts and opinions. I have been using these lovely, very dirty makeup brushes from Amazon, and I love them. They work really well. My only complaint, very bendy. I don't like that. I wanted to see if these would be a good alternative to these. So my first impressions are they're very pretty. They come in these rainbow colors. They have white bristles. Initially I thought these were sponges and I was like, I'm not really interested in sponges again, but let's see. Open them up. It says that they are washable. You can use them with ink or paint. Where did I see washable? I don't remember. They're stackable. I thought I saw that they were washable somewhere. I'll have to look. Alright, so you get this fun rainbow of color, and they are really cute. The brush is very soft. Oh, I got a little hair that shed. Let's see. But that was all. Nope. Another little hair, but that's just kind of normal right at first. So I got 2 hairs that shed right away, but I'm not getting any more. That's promising. So you get sort of a teal, blue. I think these are meant to be used with the different color families. So I'm just going to pop them all out and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got them all popped out, and let's see, they are stackable. It says that they are. Oh, they are. That's really cute. My concern with stacking is that I would accidentally end up catching some of the bristles and mashing them down. I mean, it doesn't look like it's very hard to not do that, but I'm just one of those people who would likely do that. So I think I'm just going to keep them in this little plastic thing that they came in, but that is really cute. And if you are more careful than I am, I'm sure that you wouldn't have much trouble at all with carefully stacking. So I'm going to be doing Abandoned Coral and Candied Apple. I'm going to be using this red. I like that these are semi-transparent. It lays the color down very smoothly. That's actually really nice. Get a really good, oh, that is very nice, even application of ink. Very nice. I really do like that so far. I'm gonna wipe up this, and then I'm going to go in with Candied Apple. I'm going to hold my cardstock down, and I am using 110 pounds something or other. I forget what brand this is. Okay, that is really nice. I'm impressed. Last thing I thought that I would do is see how they work with a stencil. I have an A2 size card panel, but maybe I'll do like a rainbow color. Maybe do like purple. I'm not noticing any more shedding aside from just the initial couple of hairs that I lost. So that's pretty promising. Oh, this is, wow, very smooth. I think that's the thing that really strikes me, is just how smoothly these lay down color. It's very, very smooth. It's just very nice. Very, very smooth. Let's see what we have. Very nice. Yep. I will probably do a follow-up video in about a month after I've been using them for a while, just to show you how they've been holding up and what my thoughts are at that time. So, but for right now, I give them 2 thumbs up. Very impressed, and I like them a lot. I'll see you again later, guys. Take care. Bye.